D20s decide what we talk about. So this time I rolled engineering and technology. STEM, which if you're not familiar, stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, was coined by the United States National Science Foundation in 2001. Britannica Online notes that it was a biologist named Judith Romilly who coined the term. Previously, NSF had used SMET, which is definitely not as catchy.
No.
Well, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics are all interesting because they not only are the answer, but they're also the question. So let me explain. Let's say you want to understand how water moves through your backyard. This desire or interest for understanding likely came from somewhere. A why. In this case, maybe your backyard floods every time it rains. And so if you could understand how it gets there, you might be able to build a mechanism, a dam or a bridge or a levee. Understanding how water moves through your backyard is science. Creating a water-resistant camera setup to capture the water movement in rainstorms is technology. Understanding water flow is mathematics. And creating a levee parallel to your back fence is engineering. That's STEM. It's finding a question, being curious about the answer, and then using data to answer the question in hopes that it may in some way benefit the underlying larger picture question or system or framework. So in that, how do engineering and technology fit? I think that the thing that they have in common is that they are practical applications of the other two, science and mathematics. If science and math ask the question why, engineering and technology answer the question how. They take the fundamentals of science and mathematics and build on them, using their observations, theorems, and laws to craft new things. I feel like I'm seeing a lot of technology recently that seems to have forgotten that it's tied to these other fields. Without a foundation of observation and math and science, without asking the question why, the how rings hollow.